Hi everyone to this new channel, and if you like the video, kindly do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Today we are going to visit Statue of Unity, which is 182 meters tall, and till now it's the world's largest statue, beating the two wonders of the world. This statue is being constructed in memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was popularly known as Iron Man of India and also the first Deputy Prime Minister who is responsible for the unified India. That's why the statue is being named as Statue of Unity and was constructed within 46 months. It is well connected through Ahmedabad 198 km, Vadodara 91 km and Surat 156 km. There were many gardens which you can enjoy side by side, like butterfly garden, cactus garden, okay, and as you can see you can have enormous scenic beauty to witness. Sardar Sarovar Dam, and these spots were little far from each other, but you did not have to worry about anything, as there were many free buses run by the government which will take you to these places, and in every 15 minutes these buses are running from each of these spots. And last, Valley of Flowers. As I have already said that this statue beats the two wonders of the world, like the World Statue of Liberty, that is 93 meters, as well as Christ the Redeemer, 38 meters. The basic ticket to visit the statue is 120 Indian rupees for adult and 60 Indian rupee for kids. If you want to experience through sky, then there is also a provision for helicopter ride, but it will cost you higher, around 3000 per person for 10 minutes. All tickets are available online, and one more ticket that will cost you 350 Indian rupees above the age of 3 to visit viewing gallery. Interesting part is that it will take you to the chest part of the statue, which is about 70 to 80 floors and is facilitated by lift. Now you are viewing the same. Basically there is a time slot to visit the statue, like 2 to 4 pm or 4 to 6 pm. If your slot is 4 to 6 pm, then you should complete all nearby gardens and come to the statue by 4 pm. At last but not the least, you must not miss the laser show in the evening at 6:45 pm. That's why I recommend to plan at least one day for this place, and this laser show is a must visit. You have to reserve the seat, and it's first come first serve basis. But don't finish all the thing quickly, but try to reach the food court around 6:20 pm and have some snacks, relax there for the show. At the end of this video you can enjoy a little glimpse of the same.